Hello YouTube, it is Nicole and back to do makeup. I'm gonna do more intense looks. Just feel like I like my other looks, but I just feel like they're too natural and like it just seems like no one is watching it or whatever. So I'm just gonna do like more intense looks, which is perfect timing because I'm going out tonight with my friends. Alright, today I'm gonna do foundation again, finally. And I'm gonna do a cut crease today. I think I'm gonna go for like deserty colors. Selling into 3CE. Smoother. Like kinda like this I like. This one I like, maybe this. So we're gonna go on the lightest color here, just with whatever brush you have. This is just putting on base on the eye. I'm gonna like take this like yellow color here and just put it like a little on my eyes. Just for like a transition shade. And now we're going in this darker camel shade right here. And yeah, it's like a sandy camel shade. Just gonna take like a lot of that and just like put it in the eye like that. It looks ugly, but we're not done here. It looks wonderful, doesn't it? Oh yeah, yesterday I saw the movie Parasite. It was really good. I just like love crazy ass movies like that. Like violent, creepy. I love movies like that. I think what I'm gonna do to blend it easier is go with this like light yellow right here.
I really like this color. I wear it in the summer a lot.
So with my smudge brush, we're gonna go in with this darkest shade here. Just wipe all under here that all fell out. Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte in light. Line down, look up. Other eyes done, but yeah, I just decided I'm just gonna leave it like this and go out like right now. This looks fucking beautiful like this, doesn't it? Lightest yellow here. But we're gonna put that on here. Oh, that's like really light. So almost, this is gonna be like the highlight part. So I'm just going with a really small brush and I'm just like coloring in the detail at the edge. Now I'm gonna go with the middle yellow color here. Start going at these edges. The inner corner here. So I'm not sure if I am loving this crazy harsh line here. Sometimes it works, but during this like matte look right now, it's not working. I'm gonna take my smudge brush and we're going back in with this like dark sand color. With that darker camel sand color, whatever you want to call it. And just like erase that edge a little bit like we just did. With the light yellow highlight again and go down the center. Yeah. Oh yeah. Overtake palette. I'm only gonna use this right here, this champagne color, and put it in my inner corner. So now we're gonna prime my face with Professional. I pre-moisturize my face, so use your favorite skin product to do so. So we're gonna put on SC Lauder. I think that's how you say it. Double Wear Nude Water Fresh makeup, and it actually has sunblock in it. So this is a very summery foundation. Ecru. And as you can see, like, super smooth texture. Like, I love this foundation. I hate most foundations. But like I say louder. It's water fresh, so good. And now we're gonna use to contour Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Tawny. Is it Tawny? Fawn. Fawn. I just want to like touch up my eyes a little bit. Sun under 3CE, full of charm. So we're gonna go with Smolder Cosmetics in Sand Loose Powder. This is Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown. It just like washed off, but it's pretty old, not gonna lie. Alright, I'm back. Eyeliner is done. So I'm gonna do my lashes. I do not do falsies, so I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna do my setting spray. My mascara gets, it like melts down onto my face. This is the common problem. So I'm going to set spray now. This is e.l.f. like the illuminating setting spray, but as you can see, freaking came off. So I'm gonna do 2 sprays. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. MAC lip liner. And Cork. This is like really, like I love this color. Peri Pera, Ink Velvet, Airy Velvet. Ink, Airy Velvet, and 08. I love this color. This is the color I have been looking for. A coral that's like orange but pink, so like grapefruit color. I think this will look really nice with this desert look. And I was right. It does. I put a little bit too much brown lip liner, but you could cover that right up. Oh shit. Shit. This concludes the look. This is my desert cut crease look. And just imagine in the middle of the desert, a random lotus flower. Those are these lips. These are my Valentine's Day nails. It's March. I don't know. Like I just am feeling like I just wanted to do that. It's pretty natural. So hope you guys liked my video. I was like asking around some of my friends. I was just like, so what do you guys search for when you go on YouTube and watch makeup, because I personally, I don't watch many people. Like, I go on YouTube just to post. I don't really like watch other people. I only watch my friends. And I used to watch Pony like a few years ago, Pony Effect. But now I watch really nobody except like myself and my friend Stephanie. And like some BTS stuff, like music video wise. But I asked my friends, I'm just like, so I don't really see like a change in my YouTube channel that much. Like, I've been doing this for like maybe 8 months. I post a bunch of random shit on here, but I do post makeup too, and I'm just asking around. I'm just like, what do you search for when you go on YouTube? And my friends were saying like, not really natural looks. They look for more, I guess, like event looks, like for example Valentine's Day looks or Halloween looks or whatever, or I guess more advanced like cut crease kind of stuff like this. So I know I did like a lot of like my natural looks, but I feel like it wasn't catching anybody's eye. It kind of was. I think it was at least one person. Yeah, so I noticed, well, it's not catching the masses' eye, and I understand, like, whatever, do your thing, be yourself. Like, don't do it for the masses, but I personally, I want to do looks that people are gonna like search and I want to show up. I don't really know why my makeup videos don't have a lot of views. It's whatever, like, it doesn't like bother me that much, but like, you know, I want subscribers, I want views. I want people to like my makeup, and they do. So I'm just gonna do more intense things. I hope you guys like my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And just like, I guess, yeah, just like let me know in the comments what other makeup looks you want to see. I'm gonna get back into cut creases and glam looks. I'm gonna go out right now because my friends are waiting for me. And yeah, that concludes the video. Yeah, so bye. Thank you for watching.